Freckles are all the rage this summer, and if you have some naturally, then it's time to enhance and own them. Nourish your skin with Makeup Forever Step 1 Nourishing Primer. This primer helps equalize your skin so you have an even look for the day and the night. It's also filled with antioxidants and vitamin E, giving your skin some much needed TLC. After you prime, enhance your complexion with the Skin Illusion Foundation from CLARINS. Easy to apply and spreads really smoothly. Using the lip stain from CLARINS, dab a few times on your cheeks and spread using a brush or your fingers. Spread evenly and apply blush where you blush. Might as well put some on your lips too. Now onto the freckles. Using the Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil, create your faux freckles by lightly adding dots to your face. Make sure to keep the distance between each freckle natural and irregular. Each freckle should be a different size to again look a lot more real. Using a sponge, blend in just a little bit by lightly dabbing the freckles in. Feel free to tap one more time using the pencil once layered in. Frame your face with your eyebrows. You can't go wrong with Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil. Fill in all your gaps by lightly flicking your pencil to create the hairline. Don't go overboard, just keep it natural. Brush the hairs once done in an upward direction with GIMME Brow Mascara. Nobody does brows like Benefit. Warm up your face with HOOLA Caramel from Benefit. Use on both the eyelids and the hollow of your cheeks. Complete your contour with a highlighter from CLARINS. Use on your cheeks and eyelids. Focus on the corner of your eye. Now onto the lashes. We are such fans of CLARINS mascara because it's super for volume and intensity. You can get the false eyelash look without even trying. Remember to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle the brush. Using the YSL Leather Matte Lipstick, which is already shaped to contour your lips, thank you very much, lightly fill your lips, keeping to the edges of the stick. Finish your look with the light Peony fragrance from Dolce & Gabbana, perfectly floral and long-lasting. And voila! You have freckles! If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below and make sure you subscribe.